Welcome to this complete guide on how to use MidJourney, one of the most powerful AI tools for generating beautiful, high-quality images from text prompts. If you're a designer, content creator, marketer, or even a beginner with no artistic background, MidJourney can help you turn your imagination into visuals in seconds. In this video, you'll learn what MidJourney is, how it works, how to use it step by step, and how to write better prompts to get amazing results. What is MidJourney? MidJourney is an AI-based image generation tool that turns text into art. You simply write what you want to see, and the AI creates an image based on your words. It's especially known for its creative, dreamlike, and high detail style. Unlike other AI tools, MidJourney runs through Discord, a messaging app. So, to use it, you need a Discord account and access to the MidJourney bot. Why use MidJourney? MidJourney is useful for many people and purposes. Designers use it for concept art and mood boards. Marketers use it to create ad visuals and product mockups. Writers use it for book covers or story scenes. YouTubers and creators use it for thumbnails and digital art. Entrepreneurs use it to sell AI-generated art or use it in social media content. It's not just a fun tool, it can be a serious part of your content strategy or income stream. Getting started with MidJourney. To start using MidJourney, follow these simple steps. Create a Discord account. Go to discord.com and sign up. It's free. Join the MidJourney Discord server. Visit midjourney.com and click Join the Beta. Pick a subscription plan. MidJourney is no longer free. Choose a monthly plan that fits your needs: basic, standard, or pro. Accept the rules and get started. You'll see different channels like Newbies 1 or General. These are where you'll generate your images. How to generate your first image. Once you're inside the Discord server and subscribed, do this. Go to any newbie channel. Type the command, imagine prompt, your idea here. For example, imagine prompt, a futuristic city at sunset in cyberpunk style. Press enter. The bot will take about 60 seconds to generate your image. You'll see 4 image options. Below them, buttons will appear. V1, V4, upscale the images, make them larger and clearer. V1, V4, create variations of any image, click the one you like. And then right-click to save it. Tips for writing better prompts. Your results depend on how you write the prompt. Here's how to write powerful prompts. Be specific. Mention subject, style, colors, camera angle, lighting, mood. Example, a lone wolf on a snowy mountain. Cinematic lighting. Ultra-realistic, wide angle. Add artistic styles like watercolor, 3D render, Pixar style, oil painting. Cyberpunk. Use references. You can even upload an image and use it in the prompt. Try modifiers like high detail, 4K, dramatic lighting, dark fantasy, etc. Understanding MidJourney settings. There are different settings and parameters you can use. V5.2 or a V6. Version of the AI model. Newer versions equals better quality. AR, aspect ratio, like AR 16:9 for wide images. Style. Choose between raw, cute, expressive, etc. Q. Quality setting. From 1 to 2. Chaos. Adds randomness. Higher chaos equals more creative results. Example. Imagine prompt. A steampunk robot in a foggy alley. AR 16:9. V6. Q2. Style expressive. How to use MidJourney for business or content. MidJourney is just for fun. Here's how people are earning with it. Sell AI art prints on Etsy or Redbubble. Offer design services on Fiverr using AI-generated images. Create thumbnails or banners for YouTube creators. Design logos, posters, and covers for clients. Grow your social media by posting unique art daily. Use it for NFT concepts, books, and marketing material. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't use vague prompts like nice scenery. Be clear and descriptive. Don't forget to check the image license before using commercially. Don't expect perfect results on the first try. Experiment with variations. Don't ignore the community. Check other prompts and learn from them. Final thoughts. MidJourney is an amazing tool that brings your ideas to life visually. No drawing skills needed. If you can describe it, MidJourney can create it. Whether you're an artist, business owner, or content creator, this AI tool can save you time, boost your creativity, and open new earning opportunities. Keep practicing, play with different styles, and you'll quickly learn how to master it. Would you like